Makeup ta achiwik madaya pauping. Manipur lead disease aina labor commissioners we ILB portal Shomi Haira. Manipur BMGSY Paiza Khayam Gaza CPI na prop sami khamai gabo PM Li Washung Haira. North Sikkim Shonfu Kalashatli Indian Army Tharada Tharuk Tihaira. Khayon ator aje the Tangkhul Expressway bau Iknguira Shimray ina bami dalay bau ping maisa aina nganang rumsa. Manipur lead Deputy Commissioners aina Labor Commissioners wivang Inner Line Permit Bordal Shomi Haira. Bordal Aya Chief Minister Secretariat li CM Piran na launch samida Gazip Chili Additional Director General of Police Ashutosh Kumar Sinha, Commissioner D. Ranjit, Deputy Inspector General of Police Nishan Warngam, Deputy Commissioner Sping, Police with Superintendent Sping kala government officials Sping Wazanga. N. Piran Singh na kahang Bordalji Department of Information Technology ILP cell kala Home Department ling asan laga gasamna. Mibok ping lingak mikwai kala ayar ngalay wiyaina yaw khung ping ILP apply kasali kom may kwai paning mida Bordalji upgrade sami kahaina jiya. Rida ILB's G Pau Kate Airport Gala Jiribamli Mishok Salaga Nauta online portali Mipok Nawa. Aya bordal launch Sami Gahai Chiaina Ara ILB's G Deputy Commissioners Gala Labor Commissioners Nala online na Mishok Pai Gahaina. ILP Quickawai web portal www.manipurilponline.mn.gov.in Livabaira. Temporary permits to Mrathang Wivang, regular permits Kajang Gala labor permits Zingkum Akawivang Midale. Shorkar authority we bang aina Mikashok, Mangarang Naula, Bordal Chiwi aina permit download Sakapaina. State Chili Ayarngale we mi Kung Kachung Gajana, Langpai Kwai Wivang Kung Sahauda, labor permits Ara Deputy Commissioner Nala, Mishok Baira Jihaira. ILP permit quick-wire application G Google Play Store we aina la paya. Ayin we kamayamazang la state li ngatung ngadada bamzadda kale to quick-wire shorkar na hotnada le gajihanda. Gajigata local makaning ning mong gabay mitayaga authority li hangraluda CM na gasatsanga. Bau kamitharan state police na Shimli valaga documents check vasaki gachina. Shim masaga shok tharan la makamashun documents kasing bingli ngayin kuing saksa ka shimva chili kashong khalangana da kuida shimva lila masaga sa alila shorkarna action barra da hangmatin haira. Manipur BMGSY Shonfu Gasam Osinli Yari Paisa Khayam Gaza Scam Layagachi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Hangrashunda CPI Brop Samikavai Gabo Prime Minister Narendra Modi Aina Union Cabinet Minister Giriraj Singh Livashuhaira Luba 1,700 crore gada Khayam Zahaira da Penda Khalai Maram Juivang Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC na BMI na Minister Chile Memorandum Misangda Atumi Demand Misanghaira. Memorandum Chi MPCC General Secretary Amir Hussain Kala MPCC President G. Mekhachandra La All India Congress Committee Manipur in charge Phagda Charan Das Atumna Shwaisa Lagami Gasangna. Manipur BMGSY road scam khalay baume bingling soda State Congress team na Phashok Mamandale Gijihanda Jurachandpur None Gamjong Higata Hili Hill Districts we Shonfu Bing Congress na inspection va gahaina da memorandum chili hansanga. CPI inquiry mang maningla inquiry mo gubrang laka scam chili zanga kache ministers bingli Council of Ministers aina Khwishok mi salu kala scam Panda Kalay Chile, Kazang Ministers Bing, Chief Engineers, Kala Officials and Contractors, Companies, La Middleman Atum Zaigoro Witungli, FIR Tasang Asadluda, State Congress na Gabosaya. PMGSY Ot Masala Sahira da Luba Kwisho Gahai Zaigoro Jila, Bokwilu, Recover Sakwilu da Bohaira. Chimang maningla scam osakli kasang contractors aina companies bingli dio mai thuida zingum thara otmasa bai khawai blacklist samilu da boya Manipur we shonfu samta khalai sagor geodaik samilaga shonfu bingchi peijaw da edit magasa full video coverage shorkar website aina YouTube le sami khwai la boya Manipur le Central na sponsored sakami scheme sagor kachangkhat kathada zadli khala mathada yami khwai gala kashok kazang ramnaw bing ya rewi aina kachangkhat khamashung pau khui khwai sang sakluda State Congress na BMI na Union Cabinet Minister Libuva Haira North Sikkim Shonfuli Kalasha Chokda Indian Army personnel Tarada Thuruk Tihaira Defense Ministry Wibao Athishuda Aya Army Convoy Chadan Wiaina Tangchu Shong Vaukida Zemali Zatkasali Kalasha Chikashokna Army Convoy Chili Gari Katum Zasada Chiwi Truk Aka Jeno Kwikwi Kwai Gasali Tukla Gahai Amaidurandi Dazangahaina Bao Shakareo Rescue Mission Jehovah da Sazagahai Madili Arishonli Pumva Hawa Mawansa Gahai Ping G Gatumna Junior Officials Kala Tarada Gatumna Soldiers Nada Hanga Ukhrul District Punjam Khuli Longthan Trophy Ngahan Haupokhaira Ngahan Chui Haukapok Angaran Angayeli Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur ICHAM with President Yumi Horam na Maso Wasada Vazankala Oriental Naga Academy with Principal Ramgathing Horam na Khaya Wasada Vazanga Punjab Football Association na Jigata Football Tournament Makok Kami Wivang ICHAM with President Yumi Horam na Maya Kangai Pongshoga Kala tournament ngahan chili yang sang mida kale ustawi match official signer referees binglila ningashi pongshoka Longthan trophy ji ajugumwi hina gajugo ngasaya country the hiba ogatu we hak makeup kachi sports industry ngasaya gachi ramgating horam na hangda ngahan chili zangda kale bina chui kamaya tha kashunda community wiwang mai khaya khuyung shop khawai kasatsanga gajugo Longthan trophy ngahan chili ringanai khuung wi Team Chigona Sharukwidale. Tournament Jia Ajiwi Direct to Mrathan Gupsangra, Ayang a Hanjiwi career match li Danglon FC na Awantang FC li Hawa. Second match li Champion FC na Zenit FC na Langai Kani Ribzang Rogda Benaldi Gataili Champion FC na Langai Panga Mati Aina Hawa. Good Governance Week GGW Brashashan Gaun Gior 2022 Wivang nationwide campaign we Akaya Kasada Ukhrul District Administration na Aya Dissemination Workshop Rumihera Workshop G DRDA Hall DC Office Complex Ukhrul Makok Mida DLOs Aina Achiwi staffs being Vazangaroga Gazip Chili Ukhrul Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumarwi Mangali Department Ngatatana Good Governance we ought Kwigaga High Maramdi Pachitengaroga Recent Kawai Gasali Vanta Kalai Maram, Kala District with 2047 Vision Document La Pajiteya. DID na E District with Maram, ZEO na School Brakatansi we Maram, Kala CMO na Health Guard we Maram da Good Governance Initiatives Ngadada we Maram Hanchiteng Roga. Kazip Chili Kangahan Ngahan Gaga Adam La Kwigaya. Longside Bar 3, Dupung Nona District Li, School Durgazat Baskala Shat Gashokli, Mawansa Gahai Bing Shili, Kantalans Ming Rogda Long Now Bing Naga Kanang Pongshok Fudale, Galasha Chili Mi Chigoti, Gala Tumra Gada, Sazagahaina, Infal East, Yaribog Dog Jingta, Tambalnu, Higher Secondary School, Wikatam Now Bing Study Durgazatli, Dongche, Maril Rodli, Ajahon Darik Shini, Ator Galasha Chisangapangna. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, All India Danzim-e-Insaf, AIDI, Manipur State Council Kala, All India Trade Union Congress, AIDUC, Manipur State Committee na Ocho Chubimanga data release Mishok Narokta Kantalans Mingaroga. Kari Kalinaw Kala Kari Katawna we Regulation Lemikwai, CADA na Shorkali Bohaira. Tangche Maril Shonfuchili Kalasha Chokzar Laga Gachihangda, Shonfuchi Semi Kwai Shorkali, AIDUC na Kangao Sahira. National Identity Protection Council Nala, Shonfuchi National Highway Tadasamilu da Bohaira. Thobal District United Women's Development Organization Nala, Kantalans Mishoga. National Students Union of India NSUI Manipurna kakhanang phongshokda kalasha chile sazaga haiping ashi dergar gasa leyakha mira jahaira mawansa ga haiping le khya gashi chitheda kachum thangwewang phanit phanawi lumshilaw ngasami sasada Socialist Students Union of Manipurna kaposaya Manipur People's Party and the All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association nala kakhanang we kantanans mida kalasha chili mawansa ga haiping we chinawrali class 1 aina hawpok lega class 12 aina dangda khalem aina gadam gashi mira da hanghaira Nishari shijinda khaleping victim na gala atum ngche khuirer khwai gatomi phalungra da Union Home Minister Amit Shah na gahangli 3.5 collective na maya khangai phongshokhaira Union Home Minister Amit Shah na ajahon Lok Sabha li gahang Sarkar we policy ngariri khaya Nishari shijinda khaleping victims na atumli mathada yang mida rehabilitation vivang gatomi ki gchina kha nisha lai sada khaleping chiliwa muchi homara da hanga 3.5 collective na press release mishok da gahang nishari shigajin ping hi criminals na da mukhuila atum hi nisha lai ga sana ping we victims na da khwigi gachina gaji hi 3.5 collective na hangrashum hairasai juwiwang drug trafficking crime li gaji gatali victims horror gaji mathada define sami khwai garotli bodalai da hanga nishari shigajin now ping la victim na da define sami high akha achumna victim sada drug traffickers pingli akwit saga hai tharan gache Khayon malay mana da charge aina chihomi ka hai tharan abil saga paina da 3.5 collective china hanga 2020 kum lukhosai zu aina ali khang so tharada akali drug trafficking case sa khawi aina chihomi ka hai special trial case phaningung da 3.5 collective members na Manipur High Court li NDPS judgment witungli leave of a bill poya ka petitioners pingchi victim maning manada karot na petition chi makhui sangmi thuachia itum na phaningong bai 2018 kum Chandel Autonomous District Council we former chairman Lukhosai Zoe official quarterly lupa 27 crore man nishari hai sayada Manipur NTPS tukhui hairugasana ka case chiwibang dungkhan mung zo aina Tangmin lung zo bali convict sada hakamaya zo bali jihoga haina da long jina karekon release mi gashokli hangsanga case chiwi investigation aina trial li laning kamong tara khalaya gi handa zo wi tungli par hai gasa jar sheet senior lawyer aina police official na khuishok mi khwai gasa Myanmar based armed outfits na zoli tukhui hawa gachi kala NAP Maikhanawi aina sample shiman hawa gachi supervising official investigating officials hikata transfer sasa gachi leida ningmong gabai layada longjina phongsho ga hai laya 3.5 collective members na asili special leave petition misangda NDPS judgment aina High Court judgment jili challenge sada 2022 kum appeal ji file sana wada hanga SC nala drug trafficking crime we kichi kathali victim horikhala gachi yang sang mira ji hairada longchina hanga 3.5 collective hi Manipur li khalai long adai da ngarumda United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 3 Dakat 5 ungshu shap khawai ga sa longa khana achumna kharin nishari aina zamkhorwi sagazu marasho khawai la ngaha ga khwili malingmai ngasa khawai ga sana New Delhi North East Festival Kathara edition haupokhaira Phanechi aya haupokda Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium li rungmi dalai Phanechi ajiwe direct magada tharuk thangkup sangra COVID-19 we aina zingum khani ma mayonla ajugumra gasa North East Festival ji Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Narayan Raneda Thargat Kamia 2013 we aina 2019 Phanet we edition shini IGNCA Janpadli Rungmi laga Khanau edition Khanili Guwahati li khwigaya 2022 edition hili dance, dramas, music performances, fashion shows, urban mic sessions, interactive sessions, art and photography exhibitions sigatha ngaran haidalei North East Rock Battle Lasara kala North East India mangmaningla India apam ngadai dawi kashir gazamaramli take a kwile kwai food stall hang phanga gada shomi rajia Made in Northeast Odyurla MSME Zone Li Jitemira, Jili Northeast India we MSME Entrepreneurs Shanghagada we Agri Horti Products, Handloom, Handicrafts, Processed Food Products, Sigatahi Haimira. B2P Tourism Meat Kala Agriculture Meat La ABEDA Nathanda Makok Mira, Jili Northeast we Agro Entrepreneurs Spingaina, Delhi NCR we Payir Sping Karajan Gasa Sampangra Dahanga. That Luida Ajuwi Kamadaya Baobing. Manipur Lead Disease Aina Labor Commissioners we ILB Portal Shomi Haira. Manipur BMGSY Peiza Khayam Gaza CPI na Prop Sami Kamai Gabo PM Liva Shumhaira. North Sikkim Shonfu Kalashadli Indian Army Tharada Taruk Tihaira. Ajuwi Pau Hiling Shanghai Yarili Kichite Sali, Panit Panau Adam Hili, Ishi the Tangkhul Expressway Bao, Kami Kashunaka Wivanga Samsara, Tang DTE na, Bao Kami Gunther, Generate Harao Darik Matithang Hapok Lira, Ishi we Bao na Jinda Kalena Tum Psychorally, Ningashi Pongashokai Nang Soda, Ringapa Christmas Chalam Midale. Saigoro Wivang, so kami Christmas Nasarano, Kumtar Pasagapa, Ning Iknguira.